Countdown begins in 3, 2, 1, fight! Slowly but surely, totally makes its way over there as Einhänder is patiently waiting in the corner for it. Totally getting behind, pushing it up against the wall, and heading over towards that red hazard. Looks like I'm sure he wants a quick push out here, but we'll see if this time he can keep himself in the arena. Last time he almost managed that and then put himself out. Einhänder kind of stuck in the corner there, but never stuck with such big wheels and so bouncy. It's just all over the place. So biggest thing's going to be trying to make sure it doesn't fall out. Ooh, totally almost gets it over the wall. Very close. Good idea with such large wheels on there. Might be able to just ramp it right off the top. And a good push over into the red hazard there, getting that board, if I can call it a board, into the hazard. Maybe take a bite out of it. And once again chasing Einhänder down over, this time by the blue hazard. Einhänder making his way towards center again, close to the blue push-out area. Totally not able to get it then, but now gets a good side on him over to the wall, who would then end up bouncing. Oh, jeez, he was millimeters away from falling out the side there, but Einhänder managed to stay in. Now both of them over by the blue hazard there, totally trying to line up a hit, and Einhänder being a thwackbot as best as he can, spinning around in place, but getting along the side. We do have totally pinning him into the red corner there, back in his starting home. Really seeing letting him out, but quickly after him again over by the red hazard, and Einhänder just everywhere. That thing just skips over everything. It's hard to even keep it under control, and yet over here we do have totally regularly getting to it. Bounces off the red hazard, flips himself upside down and gets right back up. And yeah, doing a great job of chasing Einhänder down despite the fact that it's so bouncy and so fast. Still hasn't been able to get that push out yet. Got somewhat close to it, but now he's got to get around this randomly spinning thwackbot. I think it's supposed to be a hammer bot, but now a thwackbot. Minute 10 still to go. There's a side out open there, bouncing off the blue hazard into the blue corner. Almost drives himself over to the push out there. Managed to pull back at just the right moment. In the center again, pulling back. Thankfully, I don't think he meant to turn away from that one, but did. Totally getting a good catch here, taking it back over the red corner, getting underneath, riding him over towards the red hazard. Once again, trying to direct him to where he wants to go, into the red hazard, close to the side, but now unable to get out in time as Einhänder quickly drives over and away. Einhänder's close to the blue, up against the red hazard, totally taking advantage, getting a good push on it. Einhänder almost put itself out there, but managed to stay in, totally couldn't quite get the push that he needed to get him out. Goes for a quick run at him, doesn't quite get it square, ends up taking it over to the blue hazard. Einhänder running back at him, trying to hit him again with the thwack, totally having a little bit of trouble getting around the blue hazard this time. Yep, ends up bumping into it a couple of times. He's trying to make his way over there, but sure enough, after him again, thwackbot going around, totally gets in just the right time. And again, into the wheels. 10 seconds left in the fight. We could see either one of these pop out in just a moment here, or it might go down to a judge's decision. 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's the end of the fight. Stop your bots. Let's hear from both of our drivers, Matthew and Dave. And totally going to go to totally. Congratulations, Dave.